Hi, welcome to the I30 Laser Security Application webinar. On the screen, you see a red dot or red spotlight. We'll use that to navigate through the webinar. Stand by, we'll get started. Next generation security, virtual barrier, tightly defined pattern, unaffected by most environmental noise, ignores parallel traffic, electronic on and off, monitor surfaces, entrances, side passages. Here's an example of surface security. Up here is the BEA laser scanner. It emits an invisible detection pattern, up to 4 detection curtains. Pattern can be up to 30 by 30 feet, 30 feet wide, 30 feet high. It can protect machines, equipment, and in this example, art, where we've got 2 individuals viewing the art on the wall. It looks like one individual down here would penetrate the surface security and perhaps cause an alarm. Non-approved access. In this example, the laser scanner here, covering over this entryway. This gentleman here, riding through with this cart, may have an RFID or other system, ignores the sensor for approved personnel. Eliminates cross traffic as well. Tightly, clearly defined zone, 30 by 30 feet specified pattern by the inch. Could be 10 feet 1 inch by 9 feet 3 inches. Parallel traffic ignored. After hours tamper detection. Here, laser scanner allows access during business hours, detects the approach after hours, objects as small as 2.2 inches by 2.2 inches at 30 feet. Unaffected by most thermal or most environmental noise. Surface scanning of the floor. Here we have our laser scanner emitting a horizontal plane, scanning the floor. The pattern above the floor or across surfaces. It detects small stationary objects as small as 1.1 inches by 1.1 inches at 15 foot. The sensor will learn the region and identifies anything new. And in this case, as an example, looks like a couple sticks of dynamite. Surface scanning protrusion. Here we have our laser scanner here. We're scanning over, looks like some boxes on some shelves, and there's one box sticking out that it shouldn't be. So it detects that protrusion. Pattern across the entire surface, detects protruding objects as small as 1.1 by 1.1 at 15 feet. It learns a region and then it identifies anything new. In this case, this new box shouldn't be there. Outside environment filtering. Laser scanner, have some raindrops. We have up to 4 curtains, 4 laser curtains. Multiple curtains allow BEA laser scanner to track objects moving through the pattern and discriminate between noise and objects of interest. A, the multiple curtains allow environmental discrimination. B, object size settings can further enhance filtering. C, curtains can be turned on or off to adjust pattern thickness and or enhance noise discrimination. Attributes. Some key attributes. Here is our laser in this example, making a rectangular shape, 30 feet by 30 feet. The pattern could be up to 38 inches thick at 30 feet mounting height. Key attributes, 90-degree output, which we see here. 0.35 degrees between pulses. Each curtain or plane here of the 4 are separated by 2-degree increments. First curtain would be set to 0 degrees, which would be plumb straight down. second curtain would be offset by 2 degrees, then 4, then 6 degrees. The minimum size of the object detected at 9 feet, 0.7 inches, object at 12 feet, 0.9 inches, 15 feet, 1.1 inches, at 20 feet, 1.5 inches, and 30 feet, 2.2 inches. The pattern thickness for curtains at 30 feet are about 38 inches thick. 2 curtains at 15 foot are about 6 inches thick. 1 curtain at any distance is less than 1 inch thick. Dimensions of the sensor, 4.9 inches by 3.7 by 3.3 with the bracket. We'll see that in just a minute. As we've stated already, the maximum pattern size, 30 feet by 30 feet. And it is weatherproof, has a NEMA 4 rated enclosure. Laser mechanical features, dimensions, just stated. The width, 4.9 inches. The depth, or thickness, 3.7 inches. And the overall height, 3.3 inches tall. In this area here, signaling LEDs will be the power LED and the 2 relays LED that you'll see come on when detection occurs. Over here, the 3 laser pointers, not really discussed in this, but there are 3 laser pointers that emit a horizontal laser spotlight, a vertical laser spot, and a angular, about a 45-degree angle laser spot, to use that to align the sensor where you want to position the laser curtains. And then down here is the tilting mounting base, rotating and tilting mounting base. Specifications: number of scanning planes or number of curtains, laser curtains, there's 4. The scan rate, or the motor speed that's spinning and rotating inside of the sensor, 900 RPMs. Therefore, measurements per second are 16,000 measurements per second. The reaction time of the sensor, very fast, 150 milliseconds. User interface, there are 4 LEDs. You have to use the BEA remote control to adjust parameters on the sensor. There are 3 red laser pointers. The output is 2 electronic relays that are polarity free. Supply voltage, 12 to 24 VDC, that's DC voltage only, no AC voltage. Power consumption, less than 5 watts. The rotation angle of the bracket, or the mounting bracket, -5 to +5 degrees, and you can lock it down, it's lockable. The tilt angle, -3 to +3 degrees. And the operating temperature when powered on, -22 to +140 degrees. Advantages: very immune to external interference, large detection pattern, background suppression, independent of background, can be used on moving objects, doors, and wings. Able to detect almost any target regardless of surface reflectivity or absorption. Very precise detection field size and stability. Multiple curtains can be turned off or have different functions. It's compact size, easy to install, plug and play. Internal software filters. Here are some examples of some testing that was done previously. Fog, smog, snow, rain filters built into the sensor. Robust operation with lens debris that is. Here, this example showing debris on the lens as well as down here. Optical separation between the emitter and the receiver here and then down here. And the enclosure NEMA 4 rated. Another option for this product, Windows Security Safety, prevents unauthorized entry or exit. Security Revolving Door Safety. Safety within security revolving doors prevents piggybacking. Some examples looks like this would be the entry point here for the throat opening of a revolving door. Here looks like we're using a laser on the wing safety or a wing of a revolving door that would be rotating around. Parking system security. In this example, looks like we're covering a nice looking Chevy Silverado. The vehicle's supposed to be there, the sensor recognizes that, or if it's not there, it could recognize that as well and signal some device. That's it. Any questions, you may email. There's a general email for all of BEA Tech Services, that is tech_services@beainc.com. That will go to all of the technicians within BEA Tech Service, and they should be able to answer any questions relating about installation, wiring. They won't be able to answer questions about availability and pricing. You can do that by calling sales. You can call sales, warranty, and technical support as well. 800-523-2462. Thanks for attending.